Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. This tutorial is about how we can filter WordPress posts custom posts on WordPress bulk post editing plugin. Filtering posts is essential when you need to bulk edit some features of your website posts. By using the filter form in the WordPress bulk post editing plugin, you can choose the custom posts quickly and bulk edit them in a few seconds. In the filter form, we provided the most important fields which are needed for filtering the posts in your website. As you can see, after opening the filter form, you have access to the different tabs including General, Categories, Tags, Taxonomies, Date and Type, and Custom Fields. In this tutorial, in order to help you use our plugin effectively, we are going to describe all fields in the filter form of our plugin in detail. Filtering posts in the General tab. In the General tab, the fields are provided for you to filter your posts according to them. So they are post ID, post title, post content, post excerpt, post slug, post URL, and by author. In all these fields, except for by author, you can filter the posts exactly according to your preferences by choosing one of these conditions. So the conditions are exact. The value you enter should match exactly with the data related to the post. Like, the value you enter is included in the data related to the post. Not, the value you enter is not included in the data related to the post. Begin, the data related to the post begins with the value you've entered. End, the data related to the post ends with the value you entered. Alright, so let's filter some posts by using these fields and the related conditions. Okay, first we're gonna filter posts with the ID number 2153 and 2238 to 2250. You can filter your posts by typing the numbers individually and separating them with quotes, comma, unquote. Entering a range of ID numbers from one number to another and type a hyphen between them. For filtering posts with 2153 and 2238 to 2250 ID numbers, we entered those values in the text box as you can see. Now by clicking on Get Posts, the result is going to be as we expected. Filtering posts with titles including shirt. In order to filter posts, titles of which include shirts, you can first select like from the condition box of post title in the General tab, then enter shirt as your preferred value in the text box, and then go ahead and click on Get Posts. And as you can see, the related posts are filtered. Filtering posts by author. If you need to bulk edit posts, custom posts, which have been published by a special author, you can select the name of that author from the drop-down list. Filtering posts in Categories, Tags, Taxonomies tab. It is possible to filter posts according to their categories, tags, or taxonomies already added to the WordPress by using some conditions. So the first condition is going to be or. If you choose more than one categories, tags, taxonomies, the plugin will filter the posts which are assigned to each of these values. And if you choose more than one categories, tags, taxonomies, the plugin will filter the posts which are assigned to all of these values. And not in, the plugin will filter the posts which are not assigned to the values you have entered. For example, to filter the posts assigned to the food or tech categories, we have to first choose or from the condition box and then select food and tech from the drop-down list in the text box. And now the custom posts will be filtered by clicking on Get Posts. We can also add another condition and ask the plugin to display the custom posts which life and summer are not included in their tags. So the results will be what you're about to see in a second. Not in, life, and summer. And there it is. Filtering posts in Date and Type tab. In the Date and Type tab, you can filter the custom posts according to these fields. Post type, post status. For filtering the posts according to the post status field, we provided a combo box which enables you to filter custom posts regarding status: draft posts, posts pending for review, private posts, and published posts. Comment status. You can also filter the posts, the comments of which are open or closed by selecting the right option from the drop-down list of comment status. Allow pingback. You are also able to see and bulk edit the custom posts, the pingback of which is allowed or not. Sticky. You can set the sticky status as yes or no and let our plugin to filter the related posts as you wish. Post date. Filtering the custom post is also possible according to the date in our plugin, like date published GMT, date modified, and date modified GMT. To make filtering the posts by their date easier for you, we provided a calendar in this kind of fields. So you can quickly pick any date by clicking on the text box. Post menu order. Filtering the posts according to the menu order is another option available in the filter form for the post managers. In this field, you can either type a number or use the up and down keys to increase or decrease the number in the text box. Filter post in Custom Field tab. Custom Field is the last tab designed in the filter form. In this page, you can see all of the meta fields or custom fields that you have already added in this plugin and in your WordPress post page. As we have already described this field in detail, we just skip and refer you to how to add custom field meta key to WordPress bulk post editing plugin. Reset filter. Anytime you need to filter your posts again and change the conditions or values you have entered in the filter form, you can use Reset Filter button, which is available at the top of the main page after filtering some posts. The bottom of filter form when you open this page. By clicking on Reset Filter, all the previous conditions will be removed and you can set the new conditions to filter custom posts again.